Good evening, Chichil.
Hello, Amrita.
So today let's take a very interesting numbers question. Okay. So
Mhm.
in this question, you are given a number q. Okay. And the question, the number q is given to us as 10 raised to n minus 49. Now that's your number q. All right.
Okay.
Now, there is one more twist in the question. They say that if you add all the digits of this number q, okay, so the number that you get is x13. So when I add all the digits, so the addition of digits, so let me write it as digit addition is x13. So I don't know what is x here, but the other two digits are 1 and 3. So this is a 3-digit number whose hundreds digit is not known, but I know this is 1 3, the last two digits. All right. So you have to tell the value of n here, and these are the options. Isn't it interesting?
Very interesting.
Right. So let us first find out what this is. Like intuitively we know, but let's take a number and try to understand how it works. Okay. So let me take some simple number. Let's say n is equal to 5. Okay. So what would your q be in that case? It would be 1, 2, 3, 10,000. Would it be 10,000? No. This would be,
1 lakh.
sorry, 1 lakh. Yeah, minus 49, right? So you will get 4 nines and 51, right? This is what you will get. So
Right.
this will give you 51 and then 999. 51 and 99. I think 1 9 will be less there. Okay.
Right.
It's not going to be 9 lakh. It's going to be 99,000. Right. So now what is going on? Now if you add this number, okay, so if you add this number, so this is what, like addition of this number, something like that. So you see
3
when is it,
9,
yeah,
3 times 9 and a 6.
exactly. So you see when your n is 5, the number of digit in q is going to be 5. Okay. Another thing is, yes, the last two numbers, no matter what is the value of your n, are always going to be 51 followed by some 9.
Right.
Right. So that means if I generalize this one, the sum of the digit x13 is actually going to be 5 plus 1, because 51 will definitely be there, plus
Right.
some 9. So how many 9s? N minus
N
2 into
minus 2 times 9.
9, right? Because two digits are 5 and 1. So the rest of the digits are going to be 9. Right?
Right.
Okay. So now if I add this one, so x13 is equal to, this is going to be 6
6 and some kind
plus
of 9.
9n minus 18. Okay, so this is going to be 9n minus 12 or something is equal to x13. Now this is difficult from here for us to observe. So let's observe x13. Okay, let's not work with this equation because this is going to be a little bit tedious here. So what we can observe here, your x13, the x13 is definitely this which we have already concluded, right? So so yeah, so if I subtract 6, which is 5 plus 1, right? So many 999, but then 5 1. So if I subtract this 6 from x13, what do I get?
X
0
Se-
7,
zero.
x0 7. Now I know the rest of these numbers are all multiple of 9, so it should be a multiple of 9,
Right.
because all these numbers are 9, so x07 should be a multiple of 9. So depending on this, the possible values of x could either be 2 or any other possibility. So if I substitute 2 there, 207 is a
Can it be
multiple of
7
9. I think
3? Can it be some kind of a 3?
I'm sorry.
I'm just thinking, is it parallel to 27 of multiplication table of 9? So you said multiple of 9, x07.
Right, but x is a single digit, remember. So x could assume only values from 0 to 9. All right. That's not 0, not even 0, 1 to 9. So
Okay.
if I substitute x as 2, then it is a multiple of 9, right? I don't think any value other than 2 will give me a multiple of 9 here. Okay.
Okay.
Right? So the only possibility is 209 in this case. Now, how many 9s are there? Because 209 is basically 9 plus 9 plus 9 up to n minus 2. Right? So how many 9s are there in 209? So if I divide it by 9, I will get how many 9s here? So 9 2s. Oh, sorry, this is not 20. This is 207. I'm sorry. This is 207 here. Yeah.
This
So,
is 7.
yeah. So this is going to be 23.
20.
Right? So that means my n minus 2 digits are how many? 23 9s?
Right.
So that means there are going to be about 20, not about, exactly 23 9s and then 5 and 1.
Right.
So n minus 2 plus 2. So total, so 23 plus 2 is going to be how many digits? 25 digits, right? So from here I can actually conclude that Q will have 25 digits.
Thank you. I have a question.
Yeah.
Can you explain the last two steps? N minus 2 is 23.
Here? All right.
Below. No, below that.
Below that? Yeah. Okay. Sure.
Just the last two steps.
Right. So as I already told you, let me also do this because it's not really needed. Now here, Jijal, if you look at here, you understood this, right? That there are two digits 5 and 1 which will definitely be there due to subtraction of this, and then the rest of the n minus 2 digits are going to be all 9. We just saw here, right?
Right.
So now they're saying the sum of the digit is x13. Now this, if I subtract this 5 plus 1 from the sum of the digits,
it will be x07.
Exactly. So what will be the sum that will be left with? X07. Now we know that this X07 is the sum of what? The rest of the 9s?
Right.
Up to n minus 2. However that may be. So definitely since it is a sum of all 9s, it should be a multiple of 9.
Right.
X07 should be a multiple of 9. So what should be the value of x so that this entire 3-digit number becomes a multiple of 9? So this sum should be 9 or multiple of 9 in this case, right? So the only possibility is 2. X is also a digit, okay? It can assume values from 1 to 9, any value. Since it should be a multiple of 9, the only possibility is 2, right? So that's how I got the sum of all the 9s as 207. Now I want to know how many 9s are there in 207. So simple.
So 07 divided by 9.
Exactly. So that will give me 23, right? So I know there are 23 9s and I also know that there are 5 and 1, right? So my number is 999 23 times and 5 ones. So total how many digits are there? 25.
Wonderful. Thank you, Amrita. Now it's clear.
Okay. I'm happy that it's clear to you now. All right. Thank you.
Thank you.